What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning some dirty exhaust tips. I'm going to show you guys how I get my exhaust tips to look pretty much new. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what it actually looks like now, and then I'll show you guys the products I use along with the ending results. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Alright, so as you can see, let me turn the light on. There's no light down here. So as you can see, that looks bad. Okay, so we're going to clean these bad boys up. You can't even see the Corsa name on the top of them. You can't even see it really. So like I said, we're gonna clean these bad boys up. I'm gonna show you guys how to get your exhaust tips looking new. So first things first, the products we're gonna be using is going to be bar keepers. I got this at Lowe's. I think it was, I don't know, like maybe 14 bucks, something like that. And also I got this also Lowe's as well. Let's see if we can get, okay, there we go. So non-scratch, it's pretty good. Little pads, it makes it a little easier when you're scrubbing. Bucket of water, and just a microfiber rag. So yeah, so let's see what we can do. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. So all I do is I'll just get this a little wet. Just put a little water on the scratch pad, and then I just put my bar keepers on there. So get the pad pretty wet, and then just get that stuff up in there and just start to scrub it. So I'm gonna do one tip. I'm gonna just show you how quick it gets it off. Because if you try to like get this stuff off with your hand, with your fingers, I mean it's not really going anywhere. So like I said, this stuff is really good. This is what I normally use when I clean my exhaust tips. So I felt like making a video and just showing you guys the right way to clean your exhaust tips. Make sure you use gloves with this stuff, man, because this is some nasty chemical stuff. But like I said, this stuff will cut through anything. These don't even take long. Won't even take you long at all to get this done. So make sure you guys comment below after you watch this, and tell me how you think the product did as far as getting these things clean. Like I said, once the final product, man, you guys are gonna be like, dang, that stuff really works. So this channel is not only racing, you know, I do some DIYs. you know, sometimes just try to make things easier for other people that might not know. Not saying that you guys don't know about this, but just making a video for maybe the people who don't know. So, I mean, if you do know, that's fine. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe to the video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, along with, you know, leaving any comments down below, questions that you might have, because I'll make sure I get back to my subscribers. So, yeah. So that was just, what, a couple minutes? Maybe 4 minutes or so. Wipe it down. You see a difference already? And that's just, I mean, I still got some more to do, but that's just a couple minutes of cleaning. Let's do a comparison. As you can see, now you can also see if it focus. Alright, so my camera won't focus. So, but you can see the name. Remember, you see you couldn't see the name on this one? And, you know, it's, it's a lot cleaner. Excuse me. It's a lot cleaner, so compared to that one. So, I mean, it looks like that now because I haven't wiped it clean really good. I need to get another towel and actually wipe it down real good to where it actually looks good. So, I've done the other side already. So I just want to show you guys a comparison and let you see what the other side, this side looked just like the other side over there. So just want to give you guys a comparison of what it looks like, how clean it is. I don't know if you can really see, but yeah, it's yeah, those things look like they look pretty new. I mean, they're old, but you know what I'm saying, they look, you know, they look good. So compared to that that one, that's how all of them was looking. This one right here. So yeah, so we're gonna get back to it, and we're gonna get this side looking like these over here. So I still gotta wipe these down just a little bit more, just to get some of the excess stuff off of them, and you know, just make it look a little bit better. But at the end of the video, you guys will see once I do this side and I wipe both sides down. And yeah, let's set this back up. That's a good angle, so you can see the difference. I'm just gonna use some McGuire's. This stuff right here is really good. If you're unable to wash your car, get you some of this stuff and detail your car, and it'll have it looking like you actually washed your car. So I'm gonna just use some of this stuff because I don't have any kind of polish or anything right now. So this is gonna have to work. Oh no. Let's drop the rag. They look good? Yeah? No? They're clean. I just gotta wipe down all this. I just gotta wipe all this stuff down, so don't worry about that stuff. That's not even important. But yeah, so yeah, this will clean that up too. But yeah, man, that's it. So that's it. We got the exhaust tips clean using the Barkeepers. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you like the results from me cleaning the exhaust tips with the cleaner. And you got any questions, leave them down below, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and also like the video. So that way that gives me an idea what you guys want to see. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the content of this DIY video, and I'm gonna be pumping out more videos with the rest of the build coming with the car, along with more races that but I'm not doing any racing. These are videos that are sent to me and I post them on my channel. But neither here or there. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. We got some great things coming up for the channel, so that's why I said I need you guys to make sure y'all like and subscribe. Subscribe is the most important. Liking is also important also. But yeah, so like I said, I ain't gonna ramble on too much. I'll see you guys on the next video, man. Hope y'all taking it easy, y'all having a good day, and I'll let y'all later. I'm out.